everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you chicken broccoli recipe, and it's very tasty and very delicious. I have a chicken breast and these are frozen. I'm going to use the 2 chicken breasts. I'll cut it into smaller pieces and then the rest of the ingredients I'll share with you. As I mentioned that these chicken breasts are frozen. Just put it in cold water for like 1 or 2 minutes. Why I'm saying it? Because then it will be much easier to cut it. Look at this. We need a thin slices like this. Once you cut it open like this, now we can put it in cold water, then we'll drain the water. So this way it's easier to take the ice out. I'll finish up cutting the same way. As you see, both chicken breasts are cut. I'll put it into the strainer. And now we can put it into the cold water and then we're going to rinse it. All the ice will be gone. As you've seen it, chicken cut into nice thin slices. It's washed with the cold water. There is no more ice in the chicken and we drain the water. Broccoli, I'll share with you how to make it delicious broccoli without being mushy. Onion, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce. Spices from masala dabba and olive oil for tadka. And let's start making our delicious chicken broccoli. 2 steps we're going to do. First we're going to bring the water to boil. That's where we're going to put the broccoli in. We're going to start the gas and place the pot on top of it. It's halfway filled with the water. Once the water starts to boil, we'll add broccoli. We'll start another burner and bring the kadai. Add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Add onion. Mix it well. And if you have a screen splatter, you always can use that. That way it won't spill on your countertop. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. This is all we need. We're going to keep the onion fresh. And now I'm going to pull this onion out in a separate plate. We're going to use the same kadai, add some olive oil, add chicken. Mix it. And we're going to cook the chicken really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. As you see, chicken is nicely done. It releases all the water. So chicken is fully cooked. We need to add spices. And the time we're going to add spices, we're going to cook the broccoli. If we notice that the water started to boil, bring the broccoli inside. Give it a stir. And the timing is very important. Only 1 minute. Cover it and cook it for 1 minute only. And then we're going to drain the water. On this side, the chicken is almost getting ready and I'll add the spices. Add salt to taste, black pepper, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon red chili powder. half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add onion. Mix it well. We are cooking chicken with the spices for 1 minute. And now, on the other side, our broccoli is also ready. As I mentioned, timing is very important. You don't want to cook it too long. This is all we need. Now I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to drain the water. I'm going to drain the water, then I'll bring the broccoli back. It's hot and steamy with the broccoli in. Do it, as I mentioned, only 1 minute. This way the broccoli is hot, stays warm, and also it gets tender. Now we're going to bring the last ingredient, soy sauce and hoisin sauce. Add soy sauce and hoisin sauce. With the help of teaspoon, mix it well. Once soy sauce is nicely combined, our dish is going to be all ready. Chicken broccoli, quick and easy recipe, and this is very tasty and delicious recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can use as a main course dish or as appetizer. This is a perfect. You can eat it any time of the day. With the rice flour, this is a perfect. No matter how much you move around, your broccoli stays firm. If you cook too long, then they get mushy. When you mix it, you won't see the broccoli shape. Now we have the broccoli. Going to turn off the gas. I have my serving plates ready and I'm going to dish out. It's so easy and a simple chicken broccoli recipe. Please try it and let me share with you. Quick and easy and a simple chicken broccoli recipe is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.